What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Brahim Lark, aka Mr. Grinder Star, back with another Star Free Strategy video for you. So today we are talking about stacking income streams. And what I really want to do is give you guys just a little taste of the training inside of the program that we share with people. Guys, the cold hard truth, if you are new to making money online, if you've been trying to build an online income and you have been successful, the number one reason why you probably have not been successful is because you have not had the proper guidance or mentorship, right? You need a duplicatable framework that will actually teach you the correct way of how to earn an online income. Guys, I'm sorry, there is no other way around it. You can try to get free all day, but free game equals stagnation, right? Anything that you need in life, and I'm talking about doctors pay to get to get their PhD, right? Athletes pay for coaching. Trades, they pay for certifications. But for some reason, people think income skills should be free, and it's not. What I want to show to you is, like I said, just a small piece of what we have. Guys, I started this program a year and a half ago. I knew nothing about digital products. I knew nothing about building an online income using digital products, right? I invested in this course one time and I have made over $45,000. So there are over 86, 96 trainings within our program, but I just want to show you a small piece of what we offer and the value of it. We're talking about, like I said, stacking income streams and how you guys can actually take one form of income and then add income on top of that that complements that main source of income. So without further ado, we're going to hear from my mentor. You're going to hear just give you a little piece. This is the actual training. This is just one actual training that's inside of our program. Guys, are super short. I just wanted to give you a little piece of what we offer here. So without further ado, let's check out stacking income streams. Let's get into it.
Welcome back. Inside the Legacy Builders program, one of the most important things is for you to learn how to stack income streams. That's how you leave a legacy. In this video, we're going to talk about exactly how to do that, how to add multiple income streams without losing focus, without losing trust with your audience, and how to stay in alignment when you're doing that as well. So first of all, what does stacking income really mean? Well, what it means is you're layering multiple sources of income that complement each other. You're not chasing shiny objects and grabbing the next best thing that will compete with your main thing. You're actually creating freedom by building smart income streams that align with your brand, not random ones. That's something that is so important in your business. So for example, the Legacy Builders program to stack income streams is affiliate tools, right? They share it in the video prior to this. Then you have community offers. You can have your own product, service, or program, your own coaching business. That equals a well-rounded ecosystem. And when your audience sees all of this that you have, they're like, wow, they are serious about building a business. And that
At the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys a few of the additional income streams that we offer inside of our PPP community. But just to give you an example of how we are actually using exactly what she's teaching here, guys, it's very simple. You follow the steps, you follow the training, you apply it, you're consistent with it, you will make money.
That is something that is so important. The goal isn't to do more. It is to make more by helping more people by stacking your incomes, right? Because if anybody's looking at the Legacy Builders program, they're going to need certain apps to help them compress the time. You have a solution for them, and that's what you show them, and that is stacking. So there's a right way to do it and there's a wrong way. And let's talk about that. The wrong way, promoting every opportunity that comes along, grabbing the next best thing, right? Confusing your audience with mixed messages. This is the biggest compliment I ever had. Michelle, you've been saying the same thing since September of 2022. I'm like, yes, that's why I'm successful. There's no magic potion. I've just been consistent. And I've literally bridged the gap, and I've helped my potential customers get what they needed so they can change their life, so they can leave a legacy for their family. And I focused on the impact, not the income. I've always focused on who can I serve today? I'm just going to go out there and be that hope dealer today. And there's many different ways that you can be that hope dealer. And so focusing on the income before the impact is the wrong way. So the right way, lead with service and transformation. Show people that you have a solution for what they're looking for. The next is promote what you personally use and believe in. Don't be promoting something you've not used. That's not even ethical. Promote things you use and you can get excited and have passion about it. And every offer should make sense inside your customer's journey. If it doesn't make sense, if it doesn't solve a problem for them, don't promote it. Confusion creates friction. And nobody buys in a friction state. They want frictionless. So let's talk about the 3-layer income stack that you have here in the Legacy Builders program. The core offer, your primary income stream, which is your main business, which is your Legacy Builders program, which is a high ticket, like $1,400 off of one customer. It's your anchor product where customers begin their transformation. Now, the next is the affiliate stack. This is where you're going to have support tools and trainings. These are products that can help your customers succeed faster. Example, System.io, which offers email tools. You can do content creation software, skill-based courses. You can do management and taxes. All of that have literally, go back to the video, giving you all of the affiliate ideas. I give you so many there that literally can create this 3-layer stack. And the 3rd layer is expansion offers. This is an advanced or complementary income stream. Things like your own course, your own coaching, your own community. This is where you start doing some collaborations, which you're going to learn how to do that. And you add them after your audience has seen success with your main offer. Or you add them to help them see that this is the bridge to have success with your main offer. Stacking ethically means every new income stream should serve your audience in a new way, not distract them with a new way. That's the difference. That's the difference of income stream. So let me just give you an example of how this works with the Legacy Builders program. Your Legacy Builders program teaches them how to earn $100 to $1,400 on each customer, and they make 100% profit. You can also promote affiliate tools that will help them grow their business. That's stacking ethically. You're not competing with the Legacy Builders, you're completing the Legacy Builders program. Your audience grows, you add new digital products or mentorship because you start building a business and you can start mentoring them because you've been where they were. And then you can add mentorship programs that expand on what you already teach, what you already learned. You're building a connected ecosystem, not separated side hustles. You do separated side hustles, oh, you're adding a lot of work, and that's where burnout and overwhelm comes in. If you learn this 3-part stacking, it can change your life. It's how you can leave a legacy for your family. Mindset integrity is so important. Build a business with integrity, and you won't have to be going back and forth. Your income won't dip. You'll literally have a consistent income coming in. Money grows fast when it's aligned with your mission. Get a mission, my friend. It's so important. Never promote something just for commission. Promote what aligns with your values. When you build with integrity, your income multiplies and your repetition compounds. And who you are is what matters, my friend. Encourage long-term thinking. I want you to think about long-term thinking. Just encourage the vision, where you want to be 3 years, 5 years. Where do you want your customers to be in 3 to 5 years? You're not just stacking income, you're stacking impact. And that's what I love. I just want my customers and my potential customers to have less friction to get to the outcome that they want to have. Great day.
So it's that simple, y'all. So what I wanted to do real quick before we leave is I just want to show you a few of the additional affiliate tools that we use to actually give you kind of put like a jetpack on your Legacy Builders program. But I want to show you how we in the PPP community are implementing this very lesson. Guys, it's not that hard. You come in, you follow the trainings, you apply it, and then you keep going on from there, right? So just let me share my screen real quick. All right, now one of the things that we use is we use a funnel builder called HBA Home Business Academy, HBA Funnel Builders, right? Now, what does this mean? Now, this is the thing. If you look at when you purchase this program, right, you get a free automated website. And so I just want to show you guys what that looks like versus HBA. Okay, hold on. So one thing that I noticed is that when I was using the free service that they had, I closed everything. Let me log back into this. Cut that out. Okay. So you get a free site with Legacy Builders, right? And so the funnel's cool, you know, it's all right, you know, but it's kind of plain, you know. We can actually you just get a lot of different bells and whistles, and you can't really brand this, right? You can't put your own branding on this. And what we found is that we found that this funnel was actually converting better. Now, the cool thing is, one, you get mad support in HBA, right? So with System.io, you know, the free funnel that you get when you purchase the program, there's really not any support. There's really not any way to customize or brand that funnel. But with this, you get constant support, and not to mention it's an affiliate program, right? It's only 25 bucks a month, but if somebody signs up for HBA through you, you get 80% commission. So pretty much your monthly's paid for, and then you can actually offer this to your customers once they purchase the legacy building program. Additional stream of income for you, right? Another one that we use in System.io, they give you like a free email campaign, right? And so this email campaign, it's cool, but it's pretty basic. You know, like at the end of the day, you know, these emails, they're cool. They got, but when you check out the emails that we have inside of Get Response, what we found is that these emails allow you to go a little bit deeper, right? They actually help you. Let me see if I can get it here. So check this out, right? So this is the first email when people join my email campaign. This is the first email that goes out to them. Now, I want you to be able to see the difference between this email, right? This email, I'm able to put a video, which equals better connection, right? I'm able to brand it, put the colors that I want, you know, add the links, add everything that I want to add to the email to make my email stand out. This email doesn't stand out. Which email would you read first? This one, or would you read this one? So it's that simple. So guys, listen, I just wanted to give you a little taste of what's actually inside of the Legacy Builders program, how we actually use it and apply the training, how I invested in this program one time and made over 45K, and I'm looking to build a six-figure business this year. So this is going to be going out to people on my email list. If you guys are on my email list and you still haven't gotten started, if you still, you know, if you're on the fence, I just wanted to give you a taste of the value that's impacted here. This is literally a business investment, right? But if it's a business investment that is highly duplicatable, and that you have a very high chance of seeing your return on your investment plus more if you just follow the simple duplicatable steps and are consistent with it, right? So if you guys want to find out more about the Legacy Builders program, go ahead and click the description in my click the link in the description, right? If you guys want to join our PPP community, we have some great workshops coming up that are super cheap. Click the link in the descriptions there. If you guys are already promoting a product, you're seeing this video and you just kind of want to implement some of these strategies into what you're already doing, or you don't like your funnel, you know, you don't like the sales funnel that you're using, you don't then click the link. I'll put the links for HBA and for Get Response in the comments as well. And guys, just one last nugget I wanted to give you. If you are in the MLM space, or if you're, promoting something else online, and the company that you're promoting gives you a replicated website, you don't want that, right? Because lots of times people don't stay with the same company. The company goes out of business, whatever happens, and all of those leads that you got to that replicated website are now um, with the company. You want to be able to make sure that you control and own your list. So make sure that you're using some type of capture page or funnel to lead people to that replicated website, so that you don't use your leads and you control your list. So if this video helped you out, then just make sure that you subscribe, share it out so more people see it, like it, and I will see you guys on the next video.